this is Heidi with Idaho Scrapbook Show. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a page kit by Quick Quotes. I've used them in my own scrapbooks and have been very pleased with the results. So I don't hesitate for even a second to recommend these. And the papers are beautiful, and they are heavy weight cardstock, double-sided. The fibers are included. There is everything that you possibly could need to put these pages together is included, and that's why I like them so much. They're very user-friendly. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop out all of these pieces. So this is a picture of how they turn out, and all of the pieces, they are labeled A, B, and so on and so forth. So I'll put this where I can see it. I'm just gonna set it up in front of me. Looks like this one is used to mat. These would be cut out, so I will step away and cut those out in a moment. I have that taken out. I'll pull these out. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I have punched out and inked the edges of all of these pieces. And I've cut out the white pattern paper per instructions and inked the edges of those papers, and they are now ready to go. There are some little banner pieces that I've cut out, and I'm going to finish cutting along the edges of the bottoms of the banners. Assembling, the instructions are on the back side of this paper. I am not going to show the instructions. I don't think that that's fair to Quick Quotes, but I am going to assemble this page and I'll show you the end result. as you can see, the Quick Quotes layouts are beautiful and very easy to assemble. I left the frames open and I used repositional glue so that I can lift them up to insert my photos. And I cheated. I used my Cricut and Snap Mat, and it still didn't cut perfectly, but it just needed a white border so that there was room for the circle frame. But it is very simple to add photos to these, and Make Your Own Kind of Wonderful is very versatile. This is a page that I could use for vacation. I could use it for my kids. The colors, boys, girls, anniversary pictures. It's really whatever you can possibly imagine going into these. And they're super simple. I highly recommend checking them out. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our webpage at idahoscrapbookshow.com and subscribe to our newsletter, and check Quick Quotes out on Facebook and shopquickquotes.com. Thanks for joining me.